In this video, I will show you how to change Siri settings on iPhone. So whether you're looking to change how Siri sounds or change Siri's responses, follow along with me as I show you how to access and change these settings. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the settings app on your device. It should be on your home screen, but if you can't see it, you can use the search box down at the bottom and just search for settings and then open it up. Now, once you're in your settings, what you need to do is scroll down slightly until you see the option for Apple Intelligence and Siri, and then give that a press. Now, this is going to take you directly into the Siri settings. So this way you can come to change things for Siri. So for example, you can see under the Siri request section, we've got the option for language. So we can change the language here, as well as some different things like, for example, talk to Siri. So you can choose when Siri is activated. We can also change the voice as well. So you can see I've currently got mine set to American Voice 4, but we can change this to have a different style of voice, whether you want that to be Australian, British, or any of the other options available. There are also a ton of different features here. So for example, there's a suggestion section, so you can show what apps that you want Siri to have access to. So you can just go through here and change whichever settings you want for Siri on your iPhone. So that is how to change Siri settings on iPhone. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.